continue with the question number 9, which is considered as one of the very important question of this exercise. Students, this kind of questions will come into the exam. So let's understand the question first. It is said that we have to find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers, that is 4, 9 and 10. So let us understand what is the meaning of this question. So the meaning of the question is, हमें एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है छोटा, मतलब सबसे छोटा नंबर. ऑब्वियसली इससे छोटा नहीं होगा, इससे बड़ा होगा, बट स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है जो इससे और इससे, दैट मीन्स विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, 9 एंड 10. मतलब ऐसा एक नंबर चाहिए जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो और वो नंबर जो ये तीनों का मल्टीपल हो. सो आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो सबसे पहले तो क्या करना है हमें, एज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ द गिवन 3 नंबर्स, तो हम ढूंढेंगे एलसीएम. एज आई टोल्ड यू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मल्टीपल. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. लेट्स गेट एलसीएम ऑफ 4, 9 and 10. We all know how to find out the LCM. So let us go for it to find out the LCM of 8, 9 and 10 together. By division method, it's prime factor. 2 2s are not divisible, 5s are. मैंने 2 से इससे डिवाइड किया as it is and 5s are. Again 2, 1 as it is and 5. Now we divide with 3. 1s are. As 1 as it is, 3 3s are, I'm sorry. And 5 as it is. Now again with 3, 1 and 5. So the 5 is, so now we can see that we all get 1. So the product is considered as the LCM. So let's see what would be the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20, 29s are 180. So we can see that the LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is 180. अब 180 is the smallest number. 180 is the smallest number which is divisible by all these 3. मगर हमें क्या ढूंढना है, smallest square number. We know that it's not a perfect square. 2 square, 3 square and 5 is alone. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, you recall the question number 5 which we have done. हम क्या करेंगे, we have to make it perfect square. तो हम 180 को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैसे बना सकते हैं, देयर आर 2 वे. इधर वी कैन डिवाइड विथ 5 और वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5. मगर यहाँ पे हमें ऐसा क्वेश्चंस में है कि स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल. अगर मैं 5 से डिवाइड करूंगा, सो वी नो दैट दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 10. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो 180 शुड बी multiplied with 5. Why 5? Because 5 is not in a pair. By 5 to make it perfect square. So 180 into 5. So that is 2 square, 3 square and 5 square. So the product is 18 5s are 90. So that is 2 into 3 into 5 the whole square. Remember students, हमें square root नहीं ढूंढना है. So we are not going to find out the square root of this. Which is the smallest square number? So answer is 900. Therefore the required number is 900 is the smallest square which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. इससे छोटा कोई भी स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है, स्क्वायर नंबर आई एम टॉकिंग, जो 4, 9 और 10 तीनों से डिविजिबल हो. So I hope you understand, and this is considered as one of the most important question of this exercise. Let's see the last number of this exercise. It is same as the previous numbers. We have to find the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the numbers, that is 8, 15 and 20. So again, as we discussed earlier, we have to find out the LCM of the given digits 18, 15 and 20. So let's find out the LCM 8, 15 and 20. We'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8. This is not divisible. 10s are. Still with 2. It must be that means a prime number. आपको prime number से ही divide करना है compulsory. Again 2. Now we can see that divisible by 3. 5s are 5. Now with 5. So we can see here the LCM is 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are, one more time we'll do it, 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20, 26 are 120. So the prime factors of 120 is 2 square and 2 and 3 and 5. So we are getting surprise here that 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 which are not in a pair. So remember we have to multiply with 1 time 2, 1 time 3 and 1 time 5. क्योंकि हमें इसको perfect square बनाना है. Reason? Smallest square number. So we can say that 120 should be multiplied by 1 time 2, 1 time 3 and 1 time 5 to make it perfect square. So let us multiply this number 120 with 2, 3 and 5. This number is 30. So 2 square is already there. 1 2 with multiply, so become 2 square, 3 square and 5 square. हमने एक बार 2, 3 और 5 से multiply किया. So 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. 30 into 120, that is 3600. So we can see that the smallest perfect square number is 3600. So required number is 3600. मतलब हम बोल सकते हैं कि 36 is the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 8, 15 and 20. Hence we have completed the exercise.